Hello, 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 hello. Good morning to everybody. Can you hear me? It is audible now? Yes. Yesterday I told small concept only. Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation, which is used to store data permanently in secondary storage devices. And also what I told yesterday, if you want to operate Oracle database, then we are using SQL PLSQL and the dynamic SQL languages. Up to that one yesterday I told no. Yeah. Now concentrate here. Up to this one everyone knows. Now again in my screen only 1 minute observed here. Something is there. What is this one? Anybody have an idea? Anybody Java, .NET, Python developers are there in our class? Maybe guess it. What is this one? SQL Plus is there. Already Oracle is a software. Once you are installing a what that database software means automatically some place is created, that is Oracle database. SQL is a language you have an idea yesterday, but what is this SQL plus? Anybody tell me? Very good. One fellow is guessing only correct. This SQL plus is a client tool. This SQL plus is a client tool or query tool. You are a first time newcomer. How you are understandable that a client tool or server, how you are interacting with that client tool through username and passwords, connect to the web server. Those are all the things today I will tell you. Now check it out. Very easy. First observe it here. Concentrate. Suppose whenever anybody installing Oracle software, then automatically some place is reserved in a disk only, that is called Oracle database. Already have an idea. Now this is a place. This is a Oracle database. For example, assumption it. This is a Oracle database. Oracle DB. Now here one user is there. For example, this user wants to perform some operations in Oracle database. For example, suppose this user wants to store some data into this Oracle database. In a future, I am also allowed to store data. No, yeah, to store data into this Oracle database. Otherwise, this user wants to fetch some data from this Oracle database. Just here, fetch means retrieve. No? Retrieve some data from this Oracle database. Okay, yeah. Then I am also, you are also thinking, yes, directly interacting, we are thinking, but unfortunately, if any user wants to store some data into this Oracle database, otherwise, any user wants to retrieve some data from this database, then this user uses two-step process. This is so many fellows doesn't have an idea. That's why tools, those all the things, they doesn't have an idea. Observe it here. Then that user uses two-step process. Very, very important. What is the first step is connect is a step. Just step one. I will tell you those all the steps. First observe it here. Notes is there. Just step one, connect. Don't write it anything. Just observe it here. Connect is a step. In this connect step only, what is this connect step? Today easily understandable. In this connect step only, here concentrate here. Step one, connect is a step. Here, in this connect step only, we are using one tool. So many tools are there. One example, just observe it here. SQL plus tool. SQL plus tool. or SQL star plus tool. SQL developer is a tool. SQL navigator is a tool. Toad is a tool. Those are all the tools I will tell you today. Don't worry. Just maybe connect is a step is there in that step. Or maybe some tool is there. One of the example is SQL plus tool. Second step is communication is a step. Step 2, communication. Communication. In this communication step, just observe it here. What are the languages we are using means SQL is a language. Another one is what? PLSQL is a language. Maybe communication step is there. In that step, we are using a what? Languages. What are those languages means? Yesterday some fellows having a idea. SQL, PLSQL languages. Okay, na? Yeah. What is this connector step? I will tell you. And how tools are connected to the web server through one demo. I will tell you through the commit and rollback. So much of knowledge you are getting today. Up to end of the class, concentrate. Suppose if you want to understand about this one, this notes through easily understandable. Observe it here. I am writing like this. If any user wants to perform some operations on Oracle database, then that user uses following two-step process. One is connect step, example SQL plus tool. Another one is what? Communication step. In that one, we are using SQL, PLSQL languages. What is this connector step? Fastly observe it here. Now check it out. Concentrate here. What is this connector step means? 1 minute observe it here. Suppose already I told so many times, whenever you try to install Oracle software, then automatically some place is reserved in a disk that is called Oracle database. Now slowly observe it here. Now anybody guess it only? For example, here one user is there. This user wants to perform some operations in this Oracle database. Then this user uses what? Which language? Which language? Very good. SQL is a language. Okay? Yeah. Then that user uses SQL language. So many fellows are thinking like that. This is wrong one. Directly users does not interact with the what? Oracle database server. This is a server, database server actually. Directly users does not interact with the what? Directly users does not connect to the where Oracle server. First, these users connect to the where client tool because this is a client server architecture. First, these users are connect to the where client tools. Through this client tools only, they are connect to the where server. How they are connected to the server means some username and passwords are there. Those things, one of the stage you are good. Through that one, yes, here we are connected to the where server. Then only they are allowed to use a what? Which languages for operating a data? SQL, PLSQL languages. Now check it out. That whole diagram Oracle Corporation provided. Why they are giving a what? That diagram means newcomers doesn't know what are the tools are available in a market. That's why same diagram I'm copying only 5 minutes. Concentrate, easily understandable. Those are all the tools. I want today tools names. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Whenever we are installing Oracle software, then automatically one place is reserved in a disk. This place is also called as Oracle database. Actually, anybody attending a what yesterday class? Already I told. Oracle or SQL Server, MySQL, DB2, Sybase, Informix, Ingress. These all softwares are implemented based on a one universal concept, relational data model. In relational data model, conceptually same and syntactically different and functions also different in a relational data model products. Yesterday I told no, yeah. This Oracle database also one of the most popular relational data model product. That's why in this database also so many database objects are there. Here tables are there, procedures are there, functions are there, triggers are there, packages are there, synonyms are there, sequences are there, clusters are there, okay, indexes are there like this. These are collection of database objects. In a database also, these objects are common. This is also called as collection of database objects. Only terminology purpose, I am drawing like this. Collection of database objects. In the future, these objects you are familiar. Okay, na? Collection of database objects. Here, users are there. Yeah. Users first connect to the where client tool. Observe it here, users. Now, users first connect to the where client tool. Now, client tool. Here, what are the client tools available in market? I will tell you. These tools are also called as query tools. Client tools. Users first connect to the where client tools. Then by using username and password through this client tool, through they connect to the where server, this Oracle database for operating these database objects data. Don't worry. Now check it out. Once they are connecting, then only they are allowed to perform operations by using a what? Which language? SQL is a language. This is the original diagram. SQL means structured query language. Structured query language. Structured query language. Now concentrate here. Up to this one, maybe so many fellows having idea. But unfortunately, why I am drawing a what? This diagram, Oracle Corporation diagram is just observed here. What are the client tools names available in the market? I want only. Suppose you are a first time non-technical person also through this diagram. Oh, maybe these type of tools are available in a market. You are understandable. Now check it out. What are the examples of the where client tools? This part I want. Observe it here. Very important. What are the examples of the where client tools? Now, first one. Very important. What is that one means? SQL plus tool. Observe it here. SQL plus tool. Today, the tool also I will show you. SQL plus tool. But so many fellows having a doubt. Okay, SQL plus is a client tool. But that client tool explicitly we are installing. Otherwise, whenever we are installing a Oracle software, automatically that SQL plus tool is there. Confusing only. But don't confuse only. SQL plus is a default tool. Whenever you are installing, we are installing Oracle software, then automatically this SQL plus tool is available. That's why SQL plus tool not required to install explicitly. When you are installing a Oracle software, automatically that SQL plus tool is there. That's why SQL plus is a what? Default tool. This is a default. That's a command line interface. Today I will show you, but that is a default tool. That's why whenever anybody installing a Oracle software, automatically SQL plus tool is there or not? Yes. Now, but unfortunately, SQL plus is a command line interface, same like a DOS prompt only, same like a command prompt. Just we are typing a what commands. This here GUI not there, graphical user interface is not there. But in a real-time project side, always explicit tools also they are installing only. A better debugging purpose, some other purpose, always they are working in a way that tools also. Now, what are the explicit tools are available in a market means observe it here. Other than this SQL plus tool, explicitly we are interested to install in our system also. One of the popular tool in a olden days onwards, stored is a tool is there. This tool from the Quest software, nowadays this tool available in a where? SQL server side, MySQL side, Oracle side. Any database also this tool is available. That's why Toad is a tool from the Quest software. Explicitly we are downloading from this that site and we are installing also possible. But this is explicit, okay? Yeah. But unfortunately, compared to Toad tool nowadays, presently, so many companies uses what? 80% of the companies uses what? SQL developer is a tool. This is the most popular tool. SQL developer. SQL developer is a tool. This is the most regularly used popular tool, client tool only. This is also GA tools. GA tool, graphical user interface. Again, some companies are uses PLSQL developer is a tool. Some companies are uses SQL Navigator is a tool. Observe here, SQL Navigator is a tool. That's why so many tools are there. But unfortunately, except SQL plus, these all the tools, whatever tools are there, Toad, SQL Developer, SQL Navigator, these all tools are GUI tools, graphical user interface tools. Observe here, GUI tools, graphical user interface tools. But these tools you want means explicitly we must install. Okay, yeah. But SQL Plus is already there. Whenever we are installing a Oracle software, automatically SQL Plus tool is there. Understood this one? Very easy. First, users are connect to the where client tools by using username and password through this client tool. Through their connect to the where server for operating a what data in this Oracle database. How they are operating our data in Oracle database by using SQL language. What are the client tools are available means SQL Plus, Toad, SQL Developer, PLSQL Developer, and SQL Navigator. These are the client tools. But unfortunately, SQL Plus is a default tool. Whenever we are installing Oracle software, then automatically this SQL Plus tool is available. Okay, yeah, here. Now check it out. Now already I am writing same thing only here. Already I told no anybody latecomers means just observe it here. Whenever if a user wants to perform some operations in Oracle database, then they are using a two-step process, connect and communication. Connect step one of the tool is SQL plus tool. Okay, yeah. Here step one, observe it here. 1 minute you are reading also you are understandable that much of easy databases. Here observe here, if any user, I am writing like this, if any user wants to perform some operations in Oracle database, then those users first connect to Oracle database by using client tool. Okay, na? Yeah, here, very easy. Now check it out, at least SQL plus tool I am opening today. Whenever we are installing Oracle software, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, we are installing Oracle software, I will tell you. But before that one, these type of things better to know. Whenever we are installing Oracle software, then automatically SQL Plus tool is created. That's why SQL Plus tool is a default tool. What is this SQL Plus tool? This is a command line interface. How we are opening means I will tell you today. SQL Plus is an interactive query tool installed automatically. Okay, when we are installing a Oracle software. SQL Plus has a command line interface that allows users to connect to Oracle database server and execute statement interactively. Suppose, for example, already in my system, I installed Oracle software. Whenever I installed Oracle software, screen observed here, just open in a Windows side. Here, automatically Oracle DB Home folder is created. Now check it out here. Once you are installing this, you are also understandable here. Oracle DB Home is there or not? Just we are opening this one. Automatically here SQL Plus tool is available. Observe here. I'm opening this one. SQL Plus tool is available. Here this is the same like a command prompt only. Black screen is there or not? Yes. In a future we are changing a what? This background color of the this SQL Plus tool. Here text color of the SQL Plus tool also I will tell you. Don't worry. Suppose here username and passwords through user credentials are required to connect to the server. What are the usernames in the future? I will tell you. Don't worry. That username and passwords through we are connected to the web server. Observe it here. Now check it out here. Oracle database we are connecting or not. Once we are connecting a web server, here Oracle or SQL server DB to these databases having a what? Tables format only data is there or not? Yes. Table formats only data is there. Now check it out here. This is the way. Now here whatever I am typing, these commands are nothing but a what? SQL language. Yesterday already you have an idea SQL language commands. Okay, yeah, here. Now check it out. Here only we are generating some reports. Suppose here this is a bank, is a table is there. My name Murali. Yes, here I have a balance in a bank only 3,000 rupees, for example. Again another account holder is there, ABC 1,000. Again another account holder XYZ 2,000. Again Murali, I am crediting some amount or depositing some amount into where in this bank only 2,000 rupees. Again, now here, yes, ABC account holder depositing some amount today are now 2,000 rupees. For example, imagination. Now check it out here in this table format only data we are storing in relational data model products. In a relational data model product, either Oracle or SQL Server, DB2, Sybase, Informix, anything also. Yesterday I told structured collection of data. Now check it out in this server, observe here, these details are available. Now, for example, my manager asking only Murli, what are the total balance is available? Yes. Okay, generate a what report they're asking. In that case, manually, I'm not interested to calculate because so many account holders are available. Just I am writing a what some commands only. Select here some SQL language. I know you are also familiar in a future. Just observe it here some typing, some functions. Same like a printf, scanf in a C language. Just some average, this type of functions are there. Observe it here. Yes, I am typing about that function. Okay, now like this. And now here total balance. I'm writing only in alias name, anything also from this bank table. Now check it out here. Automatically it will be calculate here 10,000. Suppose here manually also we are count it here 3,000 plus 1,000 plus 2,000 plus 2,000 plus 2,000 6,000 plus 1 4. Okay, so no 7 plus 3 10. Okay, yeah, it will be generate this one or not. But I don't want like this. Each and every account holder total balance I want, they're asking. In that case, you are a good experienced person. How you are generating a what that report means? Just you are writing a what some queries from this table. Suppose here in a future you are a good experienced person means here name is a column is there. Here total balance in each and every name account holder. Now here like this only. In a future you are familiar from a bank table. These are SQL language commands. In a future you are familiar. Here grouping data means group by here bank, sorry name. Okay, how we are writing these all the things I will tell you. Now check it out here, automatically it will be generated or not from this table. Yes, here Murali is a what here 5,000. ABC total balance is 3,000. Again XYZ total balance is 2,000. Observe here automatically calculated or not. Yes, in a future you are a good experienced person means how it will be generated what these reports we are understandable. Suppose for example 1 minute, observe here these are technical concepts. Now check it out, this is a table is there, bank is a table. Now concentrate here. Here Murali 3,000 plus here 2,000 here 5,000 automatically calculated. Again here whenever ABC account holder is there, here 1,000 plus 2,000 here calculate, here 3,000 is a summation. Again XYZ here 2,000. Okay, automatically. But how it is working these type of reports you are writing in the future in a database also group by queries, how you are writing those all the things I will tell you in our language. But you are also writing only in a language, either MySQL, either SQL Server, either Oracle or anything. But how these queries are executed, so many fellows doesn't have an idea. That is a problem. Once you are good at what internal execution process, then you never mistaken anywhere. Suppose, for example, you are a first time newcomer also, how easily you are understandable, observed here. Suppose this is a SQL language. In that SQL language, one of the stages group by clause is there. Okay, na, in every project report side also, select statement side. Suppose whenever we are submitting a what these type of select statement means how it will be executed means first group by whatever column is there, that column based only grouping a data is executed. Now check it out. For example, here this report is there. Here I am writing a what group by now. Now check it out. Concentrate here. 1 minute only. Group space by here. Name is a column. Okay, na? Yeah, name is a column is there. Whenever I'm writing a what group by name in my query, then observe it here. This name column. What are the different names are there? Anybody? Count it. Yes, Murali is a one name, distinct values. ABC is a one name and XYZ is a one name. That's why here how many groups are created? Maybe guess it. Anybody? Very good. Without any knowledge also you are guessing correct. And now here check it out. Here now this is a one group. This is a another group. This is a another group automatically created. Because here three distinct values are there. Murali and ABC and XYZ in this report side. This is a what? Group 1. Okay, na? Yeah. This is a what? Group 2. 1 minute, observe it here. Group 2. This is a what? Here, group 3. Group 3 only. Now, observe it here. Suppose group by name. Here, Murali. Okay, na? Here Murali and Murali duplicate data is there. No? That is always stored in a where one group. Same like a vegetable market in a where all similar okay, vegetables are putting in a where one group or not. Same here also. Now check it out here. Murali is a what? Here 3000 and Murali 2000 is storing in a where in this group only. Now check it out here. Duplicate data because name is a duplicate means that this group. Murali here 3000 and also Murali okay now yeah here 2000 is storing in a where in this group. Again observe it here. Next one is what? Yes. ABC ABC in a where 1000 and also ABC in a where 2000 is storing in a where in this group. Again next observe it here. XYZ XYZ. XYZ is another name is stored in a where another group or not? Yes, 2000. Up to now more clear. Whenever group by column name we are using in any database also automatically that column name based only distinct values are there. Those many groups internally created. In those groups only whatever duplicate data is there that is storing in a where in that group. Now some functions are there same like a okay printf scanf functions are there no, in a C language. Same like here, some functions are there. For example, which function here? Sum is a function is there. Observe here. Sum is a function. I'm using in that report balance. I'm writing. The sum function working in a where each and every group, nothing is there. Sum means total. Max, min, average, sum. These are group functions. Don't worry. In a future, you are familiar and technically, sum means total. Okay, yeah. Now observe it here. This group function works in a where each and every group. Suppose here, for example, here now the sum of balance means this is works in a where in this group only. Here balance how much here? 3000 and 2000. 3000 plus 2000 how much? Very good, 5000. Observe it here. That's why automatically that 5000 is written into where result. Simple, no? Yeah. Again, this sum is working in a where? Which group? Second group. In a where second group only. And now concentrate here. Here 1000 plus 2000. Sum of balance means yes, this sum of balance is working in a where? In this second group only. 2000 plus 1000. How much? Here 3000. Here 3000 like this. Again, sum of balance from this group only here, only one row is there. That's why here 2000. How much easy? And now here check it out. That's why whenever you are writing a what that query also internally servers are executing like this. Any database also same thing. Whenever group by class queries we are writing in a future. Now then each and every group and also one functions we are using means those functions are working in a where individual groups then return result into where yes like this only then automatically it will be generated or not yes that's why these type of languages commands is also called as SQL language. In our course we are learning about these all the things more clearly. SQL language, this one. Understood this one? Yes, very good. That's why what I'm telling me is just observe it here. Whenever we are installing a what Oracle software, automatically one tool is created. The tool is SQL plus tool. That tool navigation 1 minute observed here. Suppose Oracle 19C onwards, just in a Windows means start programs, directly Oracle DB home is there. In that one SQL plus tool. Okay, yeah, here. Again, but unfortunately, before Oracle 19C, Here 10G, 11G, maybe 12C, so many fellows are maybe in your system also. These type of olden days softwares are there. In that one, some extra tab is there. What is that one? Here up to Oracle DB Home, okay. But here application development is a tab is there. Okay, yeah. Here extra thing is there, application development. In this application development tab, we are clicking means then only SQL plus tool is visible. Otherwise SQL plus tool is not visible. Okay, yeah. But nowadays not like that. In a 19C, 21C, 23C means directly Oracle DB Home 1 is there, opening a what SQL plus tool. But in a olden version 9, 8, 10G, 11G, 12C, this old version side, here Oracle DB Home is there. Once we are clicking that one, automatically application development is there. Then SQL plus is a tool only automatically displayed. For example, you are a first time newcomer. Up to this one, you are understandable. But unfortunately, how these tools are interacting with the what server, I will tell you today small demo. Up to end of the class, concentrate only very, very important, most powerful. Now check it out. Is this SQL plus tool how interacting with the what? Yes, any data in your database means observe it here. Most regularly used concept in a future, two commands only in SQL language. Those commands today I will tell you more clearly. Why? Because those commands, so many fellows are how those commands are executed, they doesn't have an idea. That's why throughout the course they are confusing in any database course also. That's why today I will tell you those commands along with the what SQL plus tool. Suppose here one is what most regularly used command. What is that one? Commit is a command. Commit is a command. What is that commit means? Save. Don't worry. Okay. Yeah. Another one is what? Rollback is a command. Observe it here. Another command is rollback is a command. Now commit means save. What is the save in every database today? More clearly, you are understandable. Commit means what? Save. Okay. Yeah. In SQL language, in every database SQL language, commit command regularly using. Commit is a save. Again, rollback means undo the transaction from memory. Same like a control Z you have an ID Windows. No? Yeah, undo. So now here, what is that undo and what is that commit? Today, regularly used commands, you are understandable, data related. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Very, very interesting only. Suppose, for example, whenever we are installing a what Oracle software, don't okay, so write it, just observe it here. Whenever we are installing a what Oracle software, actually this original concept, observe it here. Whenever we are installing a what Oracle software, then automatically two parts are created, not a single part. Now slowly observe it here. This is original diagram. Now check it out. Two parts are created. Suppose I am installing a Oracle software in my system. Automatically two parts are created. Okay, Oracle server, this one. One is what? Bottom only some files are executed. That is what here. This is hard disk. In a hard disk only some physical files are there. Hard disk. This hard disk is also called as physical database. This is also called as physical database. Original this one. Slowly observe here. Physical database. Physical database. Same like a C, C++, Java, some programs we are writing means those programs are executed in a RAM memory area or not. Same like here, above the part is there. This is called instance. This is executed in a where RAM memory area. First observe it here. Oh, maybe whenever we are installing a Oracle software, then automatically two parts are created. Whenever we are installing a SQL server, MySQL also, two parts are created. One is bottom part only, that is hard disk. Some operating system related files are there. Again, some commands are executed somewhere, that is RAM memory area. This is also called as instance. Here, this is a RAM memory. Okay, yeah, here. Slowly observe it here. Now, in this Oracle side here, in this occasion of hard disk only, so many files are there. Data files, control files, read-o-log files, so many files are there. Don't worry. Whenever you are creating a what tables, those tables are stored in a where, physically in a where, in this data files only, .dbf files. Now in these files only, data files, that one, and now here, yes, here only tables are there. Suppose, for example, I try to create a what one table, for example, today, I will show you that one. Suppose here, B1 is a table I'm creating, for example. Now, whenever I'm creating a what, this B1 is a table that is stored in a where? In a hard disk only. Now here suppose I try to insert some data 1, 2, 3, 4. For example, just I will show you practically, don't worry. Now here some commands are executed somewhere in a RAM memory area. For example, here now check it out. Here so many buffers are there here, database buffer cache, read log files, read log buffer, database buffer cache, large pool, shared pool, so many buffers are there, don't worry. This is one of the buffer. Okay, yeah, database buffer cache, for example, buffer. Now check it out. Now observe it here. These names, don't worry. Now daily we are connected to the where server by using a what tool? This is a server. Okay, yeah, here. Suppose I try to explain a what SQL plus tool. Already whenever we are installing a Oracle software, automatically SQL plus tool is there. No, already I told no. Now this is a SQL plus client tool. For example, SQL plus client tool. Now daily by using this tool, we are connected to the where server. Our means next class onwards, you are familiar, don't worry. Now here check it out. Here SQL plus tool through username and passwords they are providing through that one user credentials through we are connected to the where server username and also password. Username and password and hosting is there, don't worry. Now check it out. Here username and password, okay button like this. Okay, now check it out. Concentrate here. This is a Oracle software. Now concentrate here. 5 minutes only. Easily understandable all the things. Because how it will be interacted, commit and rollback in a database, how it will be executed, you are understandable today. This type of way your learning means you never mistaken anywhere also. And now check it out. Concentrate here. Suppose practically I'm creating a what table. Now correctly guess it only. Maybe you're guessing. Suppose here SQL plus tool is there. I'm changing a colors and all these things. Visibility purpose. How we are changing that one colors. I will tell you later. Just observe it here. Some username and password. These username password, don't worry. Just later I will tell you. Now check it out. Here observe it here. This is a Oracle database. I'm connected to the server. Here I want to create a table. Now I'm creating a table. In a future, you are also creating a tables like this. Create table. B1 is a table name. Don't worry this one. Just I try to create this table. Now logical observe here. Technically, these commands you don't have an idea also, not a problem. Later, you are very good knowledge in a way. This one. Now here this a table is there. Now I try to insert a data. Here insert into table name like this only. Now concentrate here, only 5 minutes concentrate, everyone understandable. Now check it out. Here some commands are there in a future. Now I try to insert a data 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Now coming the red data here, select star from table name. Now concentrate here. Now this is a table is there. Okay, a B1 is a table is there or not? Yes, in a server. Where this table is available? Now tell me presently. Yes, very good. In a hard disk only. Within a hard disk, data files only there. In that one, it is available. Really, this is permanently stored or temporarily stored. Observe it here. Suppose here B1 is a table. Observe it here. In this diagram, observe here. B1 is a table is available anywhere. In a server, in a hard disk only. Okay, in this server, hard disk only. Now really that is stored permanently or temporarily, I have a doubt only. That's why again I am checking. Now check it out here. I am opening this one. Permanently there means any number of times we are opening also still available or not? Yes. Now check it out. I am typing a word like this only. Now here. Now concentrate here. B1. Yeah. Now check it out. It's available or not here? That's why here permanently there are not. That's why here again I'm opening also, I'm exit also, again I'm opening also, I'm exit also, I'm again opening also, still that is available or not. That's why this is stored in a where hard disk or not. Yes. Okay, up to this one, everyone knows. But what is my doubt is, observe it here. Now, presently, my table is available where? In a hard disk. Okay, yeah, here. In a hard disk only, my table is available. Now again, I'm connect to the where I want to retro this table. For example, I want to retro this table from this Oracle database into where this SQL plus tool visibility purpose. Now I try to type a what some username and password which is used to connect to the where server. Some username and passwords I'm typing. Okay, don't worry. Now check it out. Now once I'm typing this one, just 1 minute observed here. This is very interesting. Now I try to type a what some select statement. For example, in a future technical concept, that one. Select statement means retrieve the data from the server. Here select a star from what is the table is there? B1 I'm typing. Whenever I'm typing like this, what happened? Anybody guess it? Very good. This client tool is there. This client tool, yes, here directly connect to the where? Which one? Server. Now, yeah, where this B1 table is there? Where that B1 table is there? Very good. In a hard disk only B1 table is there. Okay, na? Yeah, here. In this table, just whatever data is there, the table is there. The table directly retrieved from the where? From the where? This database server into where? This client tool. So many fellows are thinking like that. This is 100% wrong one. Wrong one. This is not a execution. Okay, na? Yeah. Always these select statements, update, delete, insert, some other statements are there in a feature you are familiar. Those statements are executed in a RAM memory area, not in a hard disk. Very important. Suppose in a C language, you are writing in a program means where that program is executed in a RAM memory area. In a Java language, whenever you are writing a programs, not a saving, writing a programs where those programs are executed in a RAM memory area. Same like here also. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Whenever I'm typing a what, some username and passwords like this. Here, some username and passwords. Now I'm typing a what? One select statement like this only. Now check it out. Here, select star from table name like this. Select star from what is the table name? B1, for example. Whenever I'm typing like this, now here, this client tool first checks requested table is available in a where? In a memory or not. Here, in a RAM memory or not. Here, requested table B1 table is available in a where? RAM memory area? No. Now it is not available in this database buffer cache, then automatically, yes, control goes to where? Hard disk. In a hard disk only, this table is available. Very good. This table is available. Whenever this table is requested table is available, then copy of the table, not a original table. Here observe it here slowly. Original copy of the table is transferred from this hard disk into where? This database buffer cache. Now check it out. Copy of the table is transferred. And now here copy of the table is transferred into where? In a memory area. Now check it out. Here, observe it here. Copy of the table, this one. What is this table name? Very good. B1. Okay. Yeah. Slowly observe it here. Here only is total commit rollback. Those all the things you are understandable today. Here in a B1 table, here what is the data is there? Here 1, 2, 3, 4 data items are there. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Now, once this will be there in a where database buffer cache, then this table is retrieved from fetching from this database buffer cache into where this client tool. In this client tool only, it is visible or not? Yes, very good. I will show you practically, but observe it here. Oh, B1 is a table is there. Slowly observe it here. B1 is a table. In this table only, here data is there. Here, what is the data is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Slowly observe it here. Very interesting here. Suppose I want to change this data. Suppose here 1 is a number is there no? In this table. 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. It is visible in a where? In a client tool. Now I want to change this 1 into where 5, for example. Here this 1 I want to change into where 5 only. Okay, now for example. If you want to change this 1 into where 5, then some commands we are using in SQL language in every database, update command only. Don't worry. Suppose that DML command I try to write. Okay, technically you don't have an idea also, just roughly observe it here. I want to change a what? This 1 into where 5 only is that data I want to change in my project. Then I'm typing, you are typing in a future SQL language command, update, table name is there, B1, set here S number equal to 5. These are all the things in a future you are familiar. Don't worry. Now observe here. S number is equal to 5, where S number is equal to 1. This is the way you are typing. Now what happened? Observe here. What happened? Observe here. Very interesting. Whenever we are typing a what, any update command, delete command, select statement, where it will be executed, RAM memory area or hard disk. Very good, RAM memory area. In this RAM memory area, this update command is executed. Update means modify the data. Now here, what is the new value here? This command you don't have an idea. Also logical observe here. What is the new value? 5. What is the old value? 1. Here old value is 1 is there. Yes, new value is what? 5 is there. That old value and new values are stored in where? In this memory area, database buffer cache. Suppose, for example, here, 1 minute observed here, this old value is stored in a where, this old value is stored in a where, somewhere, and a new value stored in a somewhere in a database buffer cache in a memory area. Suppose this a new value is there, no? Yeah, this new value 5 is stored in a where here. Okay, now, for example, here this new value is stored in a where, 5 is stored in a where here only, some place in a database buffer cache. This is called dirty reader. Otherwise, new value like this. Again, old value is stored in a where, someplace in a where, in a memory area. Here, observe here. This is the old value is stored in a where, someplace only in a memory area. Okay, yeah, here. This is a old value 1. This is called undo area. Now concentrate here. After DML, either update, either delete. Some fellows are using a what? A commit or roll back some commands. Whenever they are using a what commit, what happened? Observe here. Just observe here. Here they are using a what commit command. Commit means save. Now you are understandable what happened. Suppose commit is a command we are using in SQL language in a feature. Commit means what? Save. Now, which one is saved? Very good. New value. What is the new value? Here 5. This new value automatically, permanently stored in a where? In a hard disk. How much easy? Oh, maybe commit means like that. Whenever we are using a what? Commit means this new value for the transaction automatically, permanently stored in a where? Here hard disk only. Here observe here. Here this 5 is automatically new value for the transaction automatically, permanently stored in a where? Hard disk. This is nothing but a commit. Oh, maybe commit means new value for the transaction permanently stored in a where? Hard disk. Simple, no? Yeah, here. Now I don't want to commit like this. Okay, na? Yeah, here. Now check it out. Again, I'm updating a what? Data. Here, observe here. So B1 table is there. Here, observe here. Rollback also is understandable. In this B1 table, here 1, 2, 3, 4 data is there. Here, observe here. 1, 2, 3, 4 data is there. Now here I try to change a what? This 1 into where 5. Okay, again observe here. This 1 into where 5 only. Whenever we are changing a what? 1 into 5, we are using a what? Update command. Now check it out. Screen observe here. Update here. Table name. What is the table name is there? B1. Set. Again I'm telling some other different. Okay. S number is equal to 5. Where logical observe here. Where S number is equal to 1. Whenever I'm typing a what like this, observe here, where the what new value 5 and old value 1. This new value stored in a some place in a where? In a memory area. Already I told no. Yeah, here this is a 5. Again, old value stored in a where? Somewhere. Okay, so now undo area here 1 in a database buffer cache. Now here table is already there. Okay, yeah, here like this. Now check it out. Whenever I want to cancel this 5 into 1, I want to cancel the previous transaction without using commit. Observe here. I want to cancel. Again, I want to change a what? Change means we cannot update. Okay, I want to cancel the previous transaction. Again, whatever one is there, same thing I want only. In that case, 5 automatically cancelled and 1 automatically stay in existence. How means just here, same like a Windows Control Z you are pressing, here something is there in a database. I want to cancel the previous transactions means just after DML commands. Rollback is a command we are using. What is that one? Rollback. Rollback means undo the transaction from memory. Now you are understandable. Rollback. Whenever I'm using a rollback is a command in a word database, what happened? Old value 1 is there? No. Yes. In this example side, old value automatically undo the transaction from memory. This version of here, rollback means undo the transaction from memory. This one is automatically transferred into where? This new value place. Okay. Yeah, here. That's why rollback is performed in a where memory area or not? Yes. This is a rollback. Rollback means undo the transaction from memory. Simple. Now here, this one is transferred into where? Here, this 5 place. Okay, na? Yeah, here. Again, this one is written into where? Which one? In this table like this. That's why rollback means undo the transaction from memory. Old value is transferred into where? New value place. Yes, again, that new value is written into where? Which one? Your table. Okay, na? Yeah. Rollback is nothing but undo the transaction from memory. That much of easy. Now, once you are diagrammatically have an idea, now you are only telling a what? Technically, very easy way. Suppose here, now my table is available where? Yes, fastly guess it here. Now in a hard disk only, in a B1. Okay, yeah, here. Now check it out. Observe it here. I'm opening SQL Plus tool, just roughly idea purpose. Here, what is those username, password? Later I will tell you. Don't worry, tomorrow you are familiar. Now check it out. I'm connected to the server. Now guess it here. Fastly guess it. Here, I try to type select star from B1 is a table. Now automatically, now this select statement is first checks what requested data is available in a memory. In a memory that is not available means control goes to where? Memory through hard disk. In a hard disk, that table is there, then copy of the table is transferred into where? In this memory area. Yes, observe it here. 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. Again, that memory area into where? Client tool, it will be retrieved or not? Yes. This SQL plus tool is there or not? Yes. Okay. Yeah, here. Now concentrate here. I want to change this 1 into where 5. Anybody tell me? Anybody technical persons are there? They have an idea of very good knowledge in a fundamental EATML insert update delete like this. I want to change 1 into where 5. Any non-technical persons, don't worry, just logical observe here. 1 into 5 I want to change means just in a future I am also, you are also typing like this. Update, what is the table name is there? B1 here, set here, S number equal to, practically you are observing me, so maybe logically you are good. Now S number is equal to 5, where S number is equal to 1. Whenever I'm typing a what like this, now automatically where that transaction is performed means memory area. Now check it out, observe it here. Yes, automatically select star from, what is the table is there? Here B1. Now here 1 is changed to where? 5 or not? Yes. Now I want to cancel. This 5 I want to cancel into where? Again 1 only. Possible? Possible. What is the command we are using? Very good. Roll back. So many fellows are telling correct. Roll back is a command. Just what is going on? Observe it enough. What is those commands? Later you are familiar. Observe here rollback. Whenever rollback means what happened? Undo the transaction from memory or not? Here 1 is there, here 5 is there. 1 is transferred into where? In a 5 place. Then automatically undo the transaction from memory. Now check it out. Rollback I'm typing. Rollback is completed. Undo the transaction from memory. Now check it out here. Select star from, what is that one? Yes, here B1. Automatically 1 is there or not? How much beautiful? Oh, maybe cancel means something is rollback is there or not in a somewhere. Okay, yeah. Now again I try to change 1 into 5. Fast observed here. Again I am updating what data. 1 minute observed here. Yes. Again here S number is equal to 5, where S number is equal to 1. Now here I try to open this one here, select statement. Okay, observe here. Again I am changing a what? That 1 into 5. Now concentrate here. This 5 I want to store permanently. How can I? Anybody tell me? Very good. Commit. Commit is a command is there. No? I want to save this transaction permanently. Commit. Commit means save. Okay. Yeah. Now that 5 is automatically permanently stored in a hard disk or not? Yes, very good. New value for the transaction. Select star from here. B1 is there. Yes, here automatically 5. Now this is permanently there or not? I'm confusing only. I'm exit from the database. Now again I'm opening a what? Here like this only. Whenever I am opening a water like this, now tell me, correctly tell me, you are a first time newcomer also. Just I am typing a what? Select here, select, sorry, here, select comments. Select a star from some SQL language command, here B1. Now 5 is there or 1 is there here? Anybody guess it? Select star from B1, I am typing only here 5 is there or 1 is there? Newcomers, fast. Guessing very easy, not difficult. Very good, 5 is there. Why? Because that 5 is permanently stored in a where? Here, you are telling 100% correct. Yes, observe here. Yes, B1 here, 5 is there. Okay, yeah, here. Now check it out. Here. Yes, 5 is there or not? Permanently stored? No? Yeah, very good. Suppose up to this one, you are telling a what? Correct. Pawan, you are telling correct. Now check it out. Observe here. Already committed? No? Yeah, very good. Now the data is there in hard disk. Tomorrow we are opening also 5 is there here. But unfortunately, what is my doubt? I want to cancel this 5 into 1 only. Cancel, cancel. I want to cancel. Then I'm applying a rollback. For example, rollback I'm applying only. Now working or not working? Only one thing is correct. Anybody guess it? This one? Logically? You're not a technical programmer up to now also. Just here, whenever I try to change a what, oh, sorry, cancel a what, 5 into 1 only. Rollback I'm using. Rollback, okay. Now 5 is there or 1 is there. Anybody? Very good. 5 is there. Correct. Very good. Beautiful output only here. 5 is there. Why? Because we cannot roll back. Some fellow is okay telling only commit is like a marriage only. After marriage, we cannot get back. Okay, yes, something. Okay, that is really correct. Okay, now observe here. Whenever we are using a commit means yes, that is automatically stored in a where? In a where hard disk only. Okay, yeah, here. Now here, whenever commit means here, this old value or new value is gone. New value, old value is gone means rollback. We are using also no use, no rollback completed, but data is gone. Okay, yeah, that's why here still 5 is there. Here we cannot roll back. Very good, correct. Here observed here, really that is correct or not. I want to view means again 5 is there. Very good. Okay, yeah, here. That's why after completing the transaction, we are using a rollback also, no use. Okay, yeah, understood this one. Just this all the transaction not required. Just maybe SQL plus tool and server remembering purpose only. I'm showing you what that one. Okay, yeah. Thank you for attending this demo class. Tomorrow we will continue at 8 o'clock. Okay, yeah. Tomorrow continue. Thank you. Yes. Ranjit asking only, Murli sir, is DDL query commit is not required? Yes. Why? Because all DDL commands are automatically committed. Whenever we are starting our course SQL language, that one, you are understandable that one. Don't worry. Okay. Those rules are there. Very good. Correct answer. Thank you so much for attending this class. Tomorrow continue. Thank you.